randomly the shopkeeper may give you a small, what I say, what
मेरा
I
क्लास नहीं है,
forget. Huh?
टेट्स की कैंसिल होगी है और ईवीएस की होगी या नहीं पता नहीं.
Pardon? Please, whatever you are saying, say it.
Sir, I was not speaking.
No, no, some other is speaking. Whoever is speaking. Okay, so at times, whoever is selling that pani puri, he'll just give what I'm forgetting the name. It's a kind of I'm forgetting the name of plastic sheet or something. The moment we accept it to consume the pani puri, that is a proposal, implied proposal. We accept it by taking it in our hand and then we consume.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That was neither written nor oral. Similarly, again, an example given by a student in this class that taking a chips packet without saying anything, just giving the price, showing it to the seller, that's it. It's implied. Okay. So these
Yes,
are
sir.
the example related to the implied proposal. You can switch it off. You can mute yourself. So this may be oral, written, or implied format. This we have discussed. A person who gives a proposal called as proposer or offerer. A person who receive a proposal, that means a person to whom proposal is given. A person who receives a proposal will be called as proposee or offeree. Okay. Now please analyze this illustration. So I just want to ask Akshita Mandyal, roll number 13.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Akshita. Are you able to see the example I've given in the last?
Yes, sir.
You have switched on your video or not?
Sir, just a second, sir.
Okay. Second passed.
uh, yes, sir.
Akshita,
Yes, sir.
who is a proposer or offerer in this example?
So A is the proposer and B is the proposee.
Reason for that?
So because A is offering his house to B for rupees 10 lakhs, sir.
Okay. So for everyone, this is this information for everyone that please very minutely just check what we were discussing. Very, very important. Okay. And the discussion is for everyone, not for only Akshita and not for only me. Because this discussion, if you able to understand, then you able to understand the technical aspects of this proposal. Now, Akshita, we have discussed that the proposal is the first stage of a contract.
Yes, sir.
If there is a proposal, there is a contract.
Yes,
If there is no proposal, there is no contract.
yes, sir.
Proposal, when accepted, then it converted into a contract.
Yes.
Okay. Now the point here is A have given this proposal to B.
Yes, sir.
What are the options available with B?
So he can accept it, he cannot accept it. He may accept
Okay.
it or he may not.
Okay, fine. B can accept it. B can say no.
No, yes, sir.
When B says yes, then what will happen?
So it will become a proposal if he says yes, because both the parties are
Proposal is
agreed.
already here.
Yeah, okay.
It will become a contract. Because when B says okay, fine, yes,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Then B have to do what? B accepted the proposal, B stated yes.
Yes, sir.
So what B have to give? 10 lakh rupees.
Yes, yes, sir.
A, what A have to do?
So he
A
has
have to transfer his house to B.
Yes, sir.
Contract done.
Yes, sir.
If B says no, then what will happen?
So there will be no contract, sir. He wouldn't be transferring the money and the house.
So that means the proposal will be rejected.
Yes, sir.
And when proposal rejected, no contract can be formed because the party refused to enter into a contract. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Akshita, thank you. You can mute yourself, switch off your video, but
Thank you, sir.
the discussion not ends here. The discussion just begin. Okay. You can switch off your video. I'm taking some another example.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So Aditya, roll number 7, Aditya Anand. Aditya is here. So Aditya is not here. So let me take Abranil, you are here.
Yes, sir.
Abranil, please switch on your video also. Abranil,
Yes, sir.
we have discussed till now that B is having two options. When B say yes,
Yes, sir.
it will be a contract. When B say no, proposal rejected and contract cannot be formed. Any other option B is having?
Sir, he can negotiate the price, bargaining.
Okay. So B said not
Instead
10
of
lakh,
10 lakh.
but I'll pay 8 lakh rupees.
Yes, sir.
Now who is going to accept or reject it?
A.
So don't you think it's again a proposal?
Yes, sir.
Because B lost the chance to say yes or no, but B has moderated it, and this situation is called as a counter proposal. Now see,
Okay, sir.
if B say yes, it's a contract. I hope you were able to see the screen also in the red
Yes,
color
sir. Yes,
mark.
sir.
When B say no, the proposal
Yes, sir.
rejected and contract couldn't be formed. Now when B modify it and said it's 8, I am not able to purchase for 10 lakh, but I'll purchase for 8 lakh. It is called as a counter proposal. This is a legal terminology. And when we say it's a counter proposal, now options of B shifted to A. Now B have to say yes, B have to say no, or sorry, A have to say yes, A have to say no, or even A can say not 8 lakh, I want it for 9 lakh. That means I want to sell it for
Yes,
9
sir.
lakh. The moment A says 9 lakh, what will happen? Again, it's a counter proposal. And the options
Again.
shifted from A to B again. So Apranil, thank you for participating. Because lack
Yes,
of
sir.
time, I'm not able to complete it. So we'll complete it and we'll start with this aspect only in the next class. You can switch off your video and you can mute yourself.
Okay.
So I'm just stopping here and I will start in the next class from this example only. Okay. And so many technical elements we are going to discuss with the same example. So let me just take the attendance, and still if there are any questions, feel free to ask.